Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 5 minus 3 times 5 minus 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go down to start. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And the 5 minus 2 equals 3. So 2 times 3 gives us 6. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and the final addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to go from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 5 gives us 15. So we have 5 minus 15 minus 2. Now we have to do this subtraction. 5 minus 15 gives us negative 10. So negative 10 minus 2, which equals negative 12. And this is the final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 12.